Hello everyone, back with another video today. So here in Romania we have snow, and today, Saturday, I'm home, so I have to make a little space on my work area. I will I will bring in I will take to the scrapyard some steel, so let me show you how much steel I have. And yeah, so I have this pile. This is our pieces from those big printers that I brought home and process here, pull up some boards and motors. So uh, the other part of steel pile is here, this bag, also these big pieces uh, are from the printers. This weighs about 20 pounds only. Piece I have 3 pieces, so here 2 pieces. This bag full. So yeah, and another thing that I want to show you, and I want to ask you if you do the same. I have this this box with random scrap. So when I'm taking apart let's say a TV, you see here the degusting cable parts from the TV yoke. This is solid copper. I just tossed them here. They are not separated, they're not completely scrapped, so to speed up the process, I'm separating all at once. So here a bucket of motherboards, low grade board, so here some cable. So yeah, let me know if you do the same, if you have a box where you put the unsorted scrap. So I have two boxes. I have one under there. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Also, I will record at the scrapyard. I will tell you how much the steel worth. So yeah. So we're gonna go to scrapyard to see how much to drop the steel and see how much I make. Stay tuned. So I dropped off the steel at the scrapyard. I couldn't tape anymore. The guy said it's private property, so I can't film there. So, but I have the receipt. I had 80 pounds, no, 80 kilos of steel. That's 160 pounds of steel. So the price was 48 and 5.6 lei, so that's $13. So yeah, now my work area, it's a little bit I have space now. Even these TVs have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. This TV will go. Here in Romania we have company that came and take e-waste for free. You just call them, they come and take it for free. Although they didn't take the cartridges, I asked them about printer cartridges, and they said they don't have license for that. Our search another company that recycles cartridges. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.